Pleased to offer this pre-registered delivery mileage Vauxhall Combo 1.5 turbo diesel 100 PS driving van. It's a lovely pearl black metallic paintwork. You've got the vehicle ticking over already. Just show you first of all daytime moonlights. Just walk down the driver's side of the vehicle. Into the offside rear. And that's first of all rear park sensors. I'll just take you into the all important working area. You see there, full steel bulkhead. I'm looking about 68 inches from the base of the bulkhead to the rear doors, the loading area. So we'll just close those up. Get to the near side rear view. Everything in new condition as you expect. The vehicle has just been registered. Just take you to the near side loading door. Also into the passenger side. Okay, just walk around into the cabin itself and just show you some of the bits the Prime model has as standard. Just jump into the driver's seat. First of all, just show you the electric pack, windows and mirrors. You see everything in new condition. So we've got auto lights, all cruise control on the steering wheel, all the controls for your Bluetooth and radio, all from the steering wheel again. Trip computer. I think we've done a full 1 mile, as you can see there. Across to the centre, 6-speed manual box. All air conditioning. Okay, I've got my phone plugged in at the moment, just show you how easy it is just to put your own apps and podcasts and bits and bobs up. You can see there, go into the sat nav side of it. If I just pull that out of the USB, go up to the normal menu, it's all Bluetooth, all DAB radio. Okay, so just work our way out the van. Obviously it comes with a balance of the manufacturer's 3-year or 6,000 mile warranty. Nationwide delivery. Like to know more about this vehicle, we sell Tom, we're at sales team on 01507 602222 or visit our website www.thompsonsmith.co.uk.